sky is almost not the limit anymore. Where do you specifically look for business, and what kind of opportunities do you see?
Well, we see several industries are booming very fast, especially with the drive of the digital transformation. For example, we see a lot of opportunities on media, entertainment, gaming. As you might know, Tencent is the largest game operator in the world, and at the same time, we serve a lot of media-based applications and provide the cloud technology, the video streaming technology behind that. And at the same time, we also believe there is a lot of opportunity for tourism here, for retail, service industry, and as we know, there are a lot, millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions of visitors coming to the region, and that present a lot of opportunities. And also we do believe that a lot of digital technologies such as digital convergence and that will bring the physical world and the online world together and create a new user experience for the users, for the consumers, and at the same time make businesses more productive with the technology such as AI and cloud and big data.
I'm not sure about you, but it's actually my first time visiting Saudi. I used to live in Dubai for 5 years, traveled all the GCC countries, including Yemen, but it's actually fascinating to come here and witness the fast growth.